So guys, I have arrived at our third location of the shoot. आज का विला शूट हमारा यहाँ पे होने वाला है at Grape County, Nashik, which is near Trambak Road. Let's go inside the villa and explore the property.
चालेल
अजून भाजी एक आहे पण थोडं ऍडजस्ट करू तेच समजा
नाही नाही
बाउल
चालेल.
ठेवून
साईडला
तुम्ही ना हा आपल्याकडे मोठे मोठे आहे का ते त्याच्यामध्ये भाजी
And we have this beautiful pool at this location. Beautiful infinity pool with this amazing view. And now let's go inside and check out the rooms. So let's check out the rooms. Rooms बहुत ही comfortable and spacious है. This is your toilet and washroom. बहुत ही बड़ा and spacious washroom है यहाँ पे. This is the first room. Now let's go and check out the other rooms.
नाही पहिले ते डिशेसचे शॉर्ट्स आणि ते बॉटल ठेवायचे वगैरे ते बाहेरच घ्यावे पाण्यातून बाहेर काढ.
So this is the second room. Mostly सारे rooms एक जैसे ही है. All the rooms are of same size and mostly सारे rooms की designing भी same ही है. You can see.
दोन तीन फोटो पण घे काढ.
This is your shower area. So basically तीनों rooms जो है वो same size and same design के है. And the view from this third room is like this. You can check out the view from third room. So after swimming you can take shower यहाँ पे. And there is lake around this property. So basically this is our property which is of 3 BHK. So guys, thank you for watching the video और जाते जाते like, comment and share करना मत भूलना.